Hello, this is Makram Ibrahim and Tyler Brown. We work on this MegaDesk application, and I believe it is the final one. So I'm going to go ahead and run that. This is our interface, MegaDesk application. Add quote. I'm going to add my son. Of the width of the desk, I'm gonna go for 76, and here I'm gonna go for 45. The depth, I'm gonna choose the disk material, Wiener, and I'll have it in 3 days, rush days. And I'll like too many drawers, I will have 5. Submit the quote, and this is what I get. I get 3,055. And close that. I'm gonna view the quotes. I have here the JSON format. Here I got the desk description, width, depth, number of drawers, and the service materials. And here is also I got the surface calculation, how many inches, and client name, the date, looks likely, got to do that, and rush days in 3 days, and the price is 3,055. Search, and I choose, what did I choose? Winner. Okay. Supposed to be showing, I'll check that later. And if I exit, I'm gonna go to the file, just show you how this JSON format works. Sources, repository, team, and debug, and here is the JSON format. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.